but what do you think the other person would say is the most challenging aspect of your temperament for them?
I've got like two.
Okay.
One is like my rigidity. Like I have like a set rule book in my mind, and one, it's not always like I don't make it known always what the rule book is.
And it's in your mind.
And so I have like set expectations, and then Nate will often not meet those set expectations, and so I get frustrated, and I also have a hard time like deviating from like what I thought was the plan or the best way to do it. And it takes a lot of time for me to like, if he brings something else to the table, for me to be willing to be like, okay, let me like figure this out. Like, let me wrap my brain around like changing directions in my mind. And so I think that that is one. Another is like how easily overstimulated I get, like, because there's not a lot of signs, and that it's hard, like, as a parent. I mean, every parent gets overstimulated, but Nate gets less overstimulated than I do. And so I think that one is hard because I can often go from just like, all right, I'm doing okay, and then all of a sudden I'm like going crazy, and it happens more often than both of us would like.
Yeah, which is very temperamental. I don't know. I'm going to find out if you're right in just a second, but those are two very predictable E traits. Right? No matter what the E brain is thinking about, it's trying to figure out the best way to do whatever that is.